The question I ask most people is, when was the last time you saw a concrete driveway that didn't have a crack? Okay, my name's Trevor Cole, and my project for SiteOne is solely Ace Resin. Ace Resin is a resin-bound system that is basically an overlay product for hardscape surfaces. So it's a combination of stone, 2 parts of resin, polyurethane resin, and a binder sand that's mixed as a kit and trailed as an overlay for cracked concrete or surfaces that need reparation. So this is Resi-Mesh. This is a geotextile fabric exclusive to Ace Resin. Resi-Mesh is going to add between 50 to 100% additional strength to the flexural strength of the Ace Resin. The other really attractive feature of Ace Resin is its permeability. And as you can see in this demonstration here, that the water permeates directly through the surface into a permeable subbase. Installed by a certified contractor, an approved contractor who has a 20-year warranty. Contact your local SiteOne and we will connect you to the initial online phase of training where you'll be introduced to Ace Resin, all its features, all its benefits,